RB Connector is a locality located on Main Road connecting Rash Behari Avenue to other parts of South Kolkata. The locality provides easy access to transport and good connectivity. The Kalighat metro station is located here. It is a busy locality with banks and ATMs. Merlin Geet Govind is a prominent commercial building here. The interiors of the locality have old residential houses and standalone buildings. The locality also has an under construction shopping mall. Lake Market, the nearest marketplace, is located 2 minutes away.